Hey face, let me walk you through how I achieve this flaky chicken pie. So first off, we're going to prepare our filling. So with my food processor, I'll just mince the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead to fry. Now I'll be frying the veggies. Add little oil to the pan and then add in your onion when it's heated up a bit. Then go in with ginger, minced ginger. You can also add minced garlic to that. Saute and then add your chicken. Fry that till it's no longer pink and then proceed to add your Irish potato or carrots. Add water and let that cook for a bit. Then go in with your seasoning cube, bell pepper and green onion. Now lastly, I added cornstarch slurry. Fried that for some minutes and our chicken filling is ready to eat. Now for the meat pie dough, mix all the dry ingredients together to properly combine. So this is where the secret ingredient comes in. I added cornstarch, a tablespoon of cornstarch to that. Okay, that's for the dry ingredients. So mix together to properly combine and then add butter. Then with your hands mix to give you the smallest crumb. And then add in your egg and milk. Then you can also see I added vinegar. Yes, so all the measurements will be dropped in the description box below. So this is my secret ingredient to flaky pie: cornstarch and vinegar. You should try this recipe if you haven't. Now it's no longer a secret because I've shared it, and sometimes I feel down and frustrated because a lot of people are not seeing what I'm putting out there. So this is my recipe. I don't know if it's popular, if people are doing it, if people are trying it, but this is a game changer. So for this recipe, I did not keep in the fridge for it to be cold or to chill for some minutes or hour. I just went ahead to just roll out my dough because everything I use is cold: butter cold, egg cold. So after filling and shaping, I just pop that into the oven and our flaky chicken pie is ready. It's flaky, yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching.